today's day and age, everyone knows what technology is, but not everyone understands it. As we prosper into the realm of technology, we must learn how to utilize it properly. Today, we will be looking at 5 different tools that we have covered in class. All of these tools adhere to the ISTE Standards for Educators, or International Society for Technology and Education. They list 7 different standards that are to be used by educators in the classroom. These standards are learner, leader, citizen, collaborator, designer, facilitator, and analyst. For each tool shown, I will provide an example along with the pros and cons of each site. First up is Adobe Spark. What is it? Adobe Spark is a tool that is fairly easy to use and get your point across quickly with a PowerPoint presentation. Spark limits your character count and picture text placement because it is supposed to be very simple and easy to use. It's meant to be spoken over and explained through speech, which explains the limited amount of text on each slide. This tool is an example of the facilitator and designer standards. To be a facilitator means to facilitate learning with technology to support student achievement. To be a designer means to design authentic, learner-driven activities and environments that recognize and accommodate learner variability. Our next tool that we will be looking at is Pictochart. What is Pictochart? Pictochart is a tool used to create infographics. It is a very easy site to navigate. They offer lots of templates to start from, or you can start from scratch. They also have tutorials that help you build your infographic. As you can see, mine is being used as a tool in the classroom. As an educator, I could present this infographic to the school so they could understand why I would want to teach this tool in my classroom. Pictochart fulfills the designer, facilitator, and learner standards. To be a learner means to improve practice by learning from and with others and exploring proven and promising practices that leverage technology to improve student learning. Our next tool is Nearpod. Nearpod is by far my favorite tool. Nearpod can be used as a slideshow, a quiz, both, a drawing activity, and even a whole lesson plan. This tool offers tutorials for everything. There is a free and paid version, but most things are available on the free version. As you can see, I have uploaded my own Google Slides PowerPoint presentation to Nearpod. Next, there's a quiz that I have attached. I would go through this, I answer my questions. Hooray! I see that I have got my answers correct. And next, I could draw by memory. A fun little activity for your students to do after class. Very fun. Give him some hair. It is compatible with lots of other applications. You can upload outside links just as I did, like with my Google Slides. If you have a YouTube video you want to incorporate to your lesson, you can fit it right through the website. After you have answered all of these on the teacher's end, you actually can see who got what answer correct and what percentage of your students got them right or wrong. Nearpod incorporates the standards designer, learner, facilitator, and analyst. To be an analyst means to understand and use data to drive their instruction and support student achievement of the ISTE standards of students. The last tool that I have to share is called Screencast-O-Matic. I am currently using this tool to record my screen. With that being said, this tool is used to cast your screen to share elsewhere. Once I am finished, I can upload this video to YouTube or any other platform. It is easy to stop the recording and resume when needed, as I have done between switching sites. It is easy to resize the recording window when needed, and it's a pretty self-explanatory tool. This tool can be used to do exactly as I am now, sharing multiple things on one screen. The students can even use this tool to share one of their projects with the class. Screencast-O-Matic is definitely a good tool for online learning, as we do now. To recap our ISTE standards, here are 7 from the ISTE website. Learner. Educators continually improve their practice by learning from and with others and exploring proven and promising practices that leverage technology to improve student learning. 2. Leader. Educators seek out opportunities for leadership to support student empowerment and success and to improve teaching and learning. 3. Citizen. Educators inspire students to positively contribute to and responsibly participate in the digital world. 4. Collaborator. Educators dedicate time to collaborate with both colleagues and students to improve practice, discover and share resources and ideas, and solve problems. 5. Designer. Educators design authentic, learner-driven activities in environments that recognize and accommodate learner variability. 6. Facilitator. Educators facilitate learning with technology to support student achievement of the ISTE standards for students. 7. Analyst. Educators understand and use data to drive their instruction and support students in achieving their learning goals. With the overwhelming need for technology use in the last 20 years, there are going to be many sites and tools that surface. As educators, we must familiarize ourselves with as many tools as possible. Thanks to this class, I have learned to successfully use Adobe Spark, Pictochart, Nearpod, and Screencast-O-Matic. I've also learned the importance of using tools like these. Many students learn differently, and tools alike to these will help them succeed. The end.